The original windows were timber construction with a timber transom, and they were at eye level, so it wasn't good with the fantastic view you have of the River Tay. So now the level that the transom's at with the C.R. Smith windows, you've got this lovely view now. Well, the house was built in 1930. I would say that there's been 3 different sets of windows put in, and the latter was probably in for the last 20 years. The single glazed windows were obviously cold, and old timber windows that were painted, whereas the new UPVC are low maintenance. When it comes to the installation, being a joiner myself, it's hard not to want to get involved because you've been doing that all your life. But the guys knew what they were doing, and at the end of the day, they turned out an excellent job. Quite a few friends of mine, family members, have been round and complimented on the windows inside and outside. They do a lot of credit to the 1930s design of the building. It looks in part. I feel that C.R. Smith are a very professional company, from the rep coming out to the surveyor, any contacts with the office, the tradespeople. It was all plain sailing, really. The benefit has been fantastic between the view and the heat benefits. Both equally important to me, the view of the river and slightly saving on energy bills. I would recommend C.R. Smith to anybody going for double glazing after having a few quotes and seeing the products of other companies. But C.R. Smith's product is, to me, superb.